In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy ML projects on Netlify. By the end, you'll have your machine learning project live with a shareable URL using Netlify's simple workflow. Before we start, make sure you have a Netlify account and a ready-to-serve build of your project, typically a folder that includes an index.yml file, your JavaScript, styles, model files, and any assets your app needs. Open Netlify in your browser and sign in. On the left sidebar, head to the Projects section to view your workspace. This is where all your sites and deployments live. Click Add New Project to begin. You'll see a few different ways to deploy. Netlify can help you start building with an AI agent, which is great if you want guided scaffolding. You can also import a Git repository for continuous deployment, which is ideal when you'll push updates frequently and want Netlify to rebuild automatically on each commit. For today's quick launch, we'll upload our project files directly. Choose the Upload Your Project Files option. If your machine learning app is a front-end experience that runs entirely in the browser, perhaps using WebAssembly, TensorFlow.js, ONNX Runtime Web, or a pre-computed model, this method is perfect. If your app calls an external API for inference, that's fine too. Just keep any secrets in server-side services and never embed sensitive keys in client code. Drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file onto the upload area. Make sure the folder you drop is the build output you actually want served. For many tool chains, that's a build or dist directory that contains index.html at the top level and all referenced assets and relative paths. Double check that your index.html correctly links to scripts, styles, and model files, and that paths are relative so they resolve after deployment. Large model files can increase upload time, so be patient during processing. If you prefer not to drag and drop, click the Choose a Folder button instead. Navigate to your project's build output folder, select it, then click Upload. If you're prompted to confirm, click Upload again to proceed. Netlify will process the files, create your site, and give you a live preview URL as soon as it's ready. That's it. Your ML project is now deployed. Share the URL, test your app in the wild, and when you're ready for ongoing updates or staging environments, consider switching to the Git-based import flow for automatic redeploys. Thanks for watching and enjoy shipping your models with Netlify.